Welcome yet again to another trade of the day. Today, we go back to one of my favorite stocks. You guessed it. It's Pltr, baby. And the thing about this stock is it's a very, very interesting setup because guess what? It happened yesterday and even we make mistakes. I make the same mistake again today that I made yesterday. But you know what? There's kind of a nice story at the end because we're profitable on the stock today as we were yesterday, but we just didn't make as much money as we should have. And look at what happened yesterday. Here it comes. This big dip down, a complete retracement all the way back to the upside when we had a long bias. The problem yesterday is we got taken out here at the bottom and then we pounded it all the way back up. We took 3 times the shares long off of that missed opportunity at the bottom. And it's talking about volume spikes, it's talking about wicks. So we look today, look at Pltr today. This is today's trade. So we open up, the market opens up here where the volume spikes. So we get the market open and look what happens, the exact same thing again. So Sean takes the long. We go long here in the pre-market. That's a small position. We never take very many shares in the pre-market because we simply don't know what's going to happen in that first 5 minutes. The market is tipsy-turvy. Sometimes we go up, sometimes we go down. So let's not put too much faith in the pre-market. So as soon as the market opens up, we say, okay, we like the long on Pltr. We know ARK was buying it yesterday, buying it today as well, we think. So we take in the long. Bang, bang, we get in the long. But look what happens. Now, you're not going to be able to see it because it's hidden in here. But we take the long and then boom, right in the first 3 or 4 minutes, what happens? We take out another low. So we take out this bottom and we execute out of our long. So we take the long here. Long, long, long 24.80, long 24.50. We love the long ahead of this 24.25. I trade off quarters. So what happens is, comes right down here at 24.25, we get taken out. And then look, see these low wicks here? These bottom wicks? It didn't continue down. As soon as we saw that, look at yesterday. Look at these bottom wicks, right? They did not continue the move down. Almost the same time, same everything. Then blows back to the upside. Today, the same thing. Look at these bottom wicks here. So what we do is when we notice that, we go longer again. Long, long, long. We do the same thing. 3 times the shares long. Because a little bit of this is revenge trading. So we take a long down there, and then look what happens. Boom, just like yesterday, up, up, and away. We take out VWAP, we go back to the upside, we're taking some out at 50, we're taking some out here above VWAP and into this pre-market level, out, 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 and then what happens? It even takes off even more. Back to VWAP, out, and then we start getting out at the 25 level, these tops. So that's Pltr. Yesterday, very similar action. We go down off earnings, then straight to the upside, make some new highs. Look what happens today, down again, off the open, bang that back to the upside. So look, guess what? Monday, moving forward, I'm going to wait for Pltr to make these moves. Everything would be fine if I didn't get in early. But again, we don't have that crystal ball. I can't predict what's going to happen. So we got to watch out for our stop orders. We got to watch out for these wicks. We have to make sure that we look at volume. But I think I've learned something from this trade. And I now know that moving forward, we're going to watch out for these spikes down on Pltr. And we're going to take advantage and get ready to get aggressive on the long and not try to make those bottom wicks. So we have to recover the rest of the day. Join us every single day at 8:30. Make sure you hit that subscribe below. We're teaching lessons every single day. Ourselves are learning lessons every single day. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. We're live at 8:30. Then we're live again at 3. And right after our show at 8:30, at 11 o'clock, we have memes and movers as well. There's so much happening at TraderTV.Live. We're glad you're a subscriber. Join us every single day.